Wanted to share this little miniature log cabin I made for my pond area outside. I took some scrap plywood, built a basic house shape, and then cut some small twigs and branches and glued them on with hot glue on the sides. I then laid strips of hot glue in between the logs and sprinkled some clay and sawdust to replicate the clay and grass in between the logs. Stripped some bark off of some firewood I had in the backyard, and then collected some small stones. And built this fireplace. Once it was all done, I took some clear coat and sprayed the whole thing. See the door I made in the front. I think it looks pretty cool. Thanks for watching.